Hey everybody! Do you like learning about space or the stars or rocket ships? I made this rocket ship out of an old paper towel roll, and I put some cardboard on it and I made it fly. That's something you can do too. I love learning about space, and I love looking up at the stars and the planets at night. Are you curious about space? Or do you know something about space? If you do, you can write to me and tell me about it. We're going to sing a song about the planets. Now there's lots of different planets. So the sun here, we're all circling around the sun. And another word for that is orbiting. And we're going to use that word in our song. Everybody say orbiting. Good job. And our other planets are Mercury and Venus. See Venus? Earth. That's our home planet, Mars, and Jupiter. And over here we have Saturn, and Uranus, and Neptune. And they're all together, they're orbiting the sun. So let's sing the song. There are 8 planets. Here we go. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little planets, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little planets, 7 little, 8 little special planets orbiting the sun. Mercury, Venus, and the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all together orbiting the sun. Sing with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little planets, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little planets, 7 little, 8 little special planets orbiting the sun. Good job, everybody!